Good morning, beautiful people. It's day 5 and we're on our way to Milford Sound. I'm so excited. We have to be quiet because we have neighbors. She hid it from me. Privacy. Oh. Say no filming. No.
Y otra vez, y otra vez. Y otra vez, y otra vez. Y otra vez, y otra vez. Cayéndome otra vez.
Oh my god, look at all the waterfalls.
It's so foggy. Wow. You guys see like a bajillion waterfalls? Oh my goodness. Hello. We're here!
Take a picture of the Andean Ocean.
Oh, sexy, ne?
Okay. Who has my board?
We're waiting for our cruise to start. So, we're exploring. We're on a boat. We got Milford Sound, right?
Yes.
We're here. We're boarding. We're waiting. So I'm going to quickly give you guys some fun facts about Milford Sound. The first being that it's one of the wettest places on earth, receiving over 200 days of rain, which is insane. The second fun fact is that there's actually a layer of fresh water on the very top, so it's around 6 to 10 meters of water, and it's stained, so it's a tea-like water, they say, and it basically allows for the deep sea coral underneath to hide from the sunlight and grow, which is really awesome for the environment surrounding it. And the surrounding area is home to over 60 species of dolphins, corals, seals, and penguins. So you're actually expecting to see these tiny little penguins all into the picture. And we unfortunately were not very lucky this day, so we didn't get to see the penguins, we didn't get to see dolphins, and we didn't get to see orcas, which I was really convinced we were going to get lucky and get to see some orcas, but we were not. However, we do later see some fur seals again. Side note, I knew the water was cold, right? But I didn't expect for it to be this cold. We got splashed so much because they kept driving us into the waterfalls, which was really fun, and I don't regret being in there. But it just was everywhere. It was really cold. Like you can tell I'm wearing a beanie. I have so many layers on, and it was still really cold. But it was really fun, and actually being on the like the front side that we were on, it was kind of like a roller coaster because every time they would go over the big waves, it would make the boat jump. So that was really fun, actually. The final fun fact that I will share is that this area only has around 120 people living there. That includes mostly staff that work in these like tours and surrounding areas. There's not a lot of people here, and the falls actually power everything, so like all the electricity comes from this source of energy. Strawberry matcha. That's good.
Next
Got
big
rid of
location, people.
most of my eye makeup.
Lake Tekapo.
Bye bye.
I'm gonna say bye to it every time I see it. Hey, there's the Kia.
Oh, Kia!
Hurry, baby, hurry, take your video.
Hey,
Yeah, it's so
Dad,
pretty.
what are they doing? There's 3 of them. There's more.
I think you can stop somewhere.
No, you can't.
No, not here.
Stopped for some fish and chips. On the road again.